Hello everyone, in today's video let us solve some of the questions from the previous year Neet question papers. Okay, now let us start the questions. Which of the following is not an attribute of a population? That means we need to find out that which is not a characteristic of population. The first option is sex ratio. Sex ratio means it is the ratio of the number of males to females in a population. That means it is a characteristic of population, so it's not the right answer we wanted. Next, natality. Natality means birth rate. It is also a characteristic of population. Here we need to find out which is not a characteristic of population. So it is also not our answer. Next option is mortality. Mortality means death rate. It is also a characteristic of population, so this is not answer. Next, last option is species interaction. It is not an attribute of population, that means it's not a characteristic of population. So this is the right answer because species and interaction means it is the interaction between the species like between plants and plants, animals and plants, etc. Basically in ecology there are 4 types of species interaction, that is competition, predation, mutation, parasitism. So it will be not a characteristic of population. Our answer is species interaction. The next question is the process of growth is maximum during option A log phase, option 2 lag phase, option 3 senescence, option 4 dormancy. Among this we need to find out in which phase the growth will be maximum. Here they are given log phase, lag phase means they are talking about the bacterial growth. So we can eliminate these 2 options because in bacterial growth we have 4 phases, that is log phase, lag phase and stationary phase and death phase. These 2 won't come in bacterial growth. Here senescence means cell aging. So it does not contain the maximum growth of bacteria, and dormancy means it is a reduced metabolism rate in plants and animals. So it is also not our option. So among option 1 and 2, that is our answer for this question will be among these 2 options. Log phase, that time is a time of exponential growth. That means in this phase the maximum multiplication of the cells will takes place, bacterial cells will takes place. So this will be our answer. This will be our answer. And in lag phase, it is the initial phase of the bacteria. It is metabolically active, but the cells will not be dividing in this phase. This is not our answer. So our answer, that is for the question, the process of growth, the maximum growth takes place in the lag phase. Next question, the roots that originate from the base of the stem. They are given the 4 roots, that is fibrous root, primary root, prop root, lateral root. Among this root we need to choose the root that originate from the base of the stem. Let us go by one. Okay, here we know that the prop root develops from the branches of the tree. You can see in banyan tree, that is prop root. So it is not originating from the base stem, so it is not our answer. Among this also we know about lateral roots, right? Tap root, if we have the primary root like this, we have the secondary roots. These secondary roots are called as the lateral roots. So it is not originating from the stem, so it is not our answer. So the answer will be among 1 and 2. The primary root in taproot system we have like this, and fibrous root system we have like this. In taproot system we have a primary root, and for this primary root we have a secondary roots which also called as a lateral roots. This is taproot system. In taproot system, this primary roots actually originates during the germination stage. You have been seen that in dicotyledonous seeds there may be some germination of the seeds takes place, right? This germination takes place. During germination there will be a formation of this primary root. So the primary root will be formed during the germination of the dicotyledonous seed. It is originating from here, so it's not our option, not our answer. So the answer will be the fibrous root, which will directly originate from the base of the stem of the plant. Next question, which of the following techniques the embryos are transferred to assess the female who cannot conceive? Here given some of the techniques that can be adopted for the females who cannot conceive or who cannot have a baby. Among these techniques, we need to find out the techniques that are used to transfer the embryos for the females who cannot conceive. Embryo transfer technique we need to find out among these 4 options, right? Here we have 4 options, that is ZIFT and IUT. Option 2 GIFT and ZIFT. Option 3 ICSI and ZIFT. Option 4 GIFT and ICSI. First we need to know full form of all these things so that we can easily find out the correct answer. Here ZIFT means zygote intrafallopian tube transfer. What's that? Zygote intrafallopian tube transfer. Next is IUT. IUT means intrauterine transfer. Intrauterine transfer. And GIFT means gamete intrafallopian transfer. And next option is ICSI. There you go. Next one technique is ICSI. ICSI means intracytoplasmic sperm injection. Okay. So they have given the 4, that is ZIFT, zygote intrafallopian transfer, and intrauterine transfer, gamete intrafallopian transfer, and intracytoplasmic sperm injection. Here ICSI, that is intracytoplasmic sperm injection, is a technique used for the infertile male, for treating the male. Okay, among these options which have ICSI, that is not our correct answer. It will be gone. Okay, ICSI, because it is used to treat the infertile male. You are asking about females, so these 2 options is not our answer. So among option 1 and 2, our answer is there. So you need to find out. Okay, here ZIFT means zygote intrafallopian tube transfer. Zygote means here embryo. Here in the full form only we are getting embryo. That means they are going to transfer embryo in this technique. So we are having ZIFT in both the options. Now we need to know about IUT and GIFT. Okay, GIFT means gamete intrafallopian transfer. Gamete means what? Gamete means we know that we have 2 gametes, that is male gamete and female gamete. Male gamete is sperm and female gamete is ovary. So they are going to transfer the gametes. Okay, they are not going to transfer the embryo in this technique. So which as GIFT is not our answer. Okay, so we are having ZIFT, which is our answer, zygote embryo, which is our answer, but here we add GIFT, so this is not right answer. So this will be our option. In intrauterine transfer also, they used to transfer the embryo to the female body or into the fallopian tube for the females who cannot conceive. So ZIFT and IUT is the right option. Next question. Match the following disease with the causative organism and select the correct option. In the column 1, they have given some diseases. In column 2, they have given the organisms that which causes these diseases, but we need to match the organisms which causes these diseases in column A. Okay, they have and also they have given the option to choose this. Okay, option 1, 2, 3, 4. So let me see. We know that we know about typhoid, right? Which bacteria or which organism causes the typhoid? Typhoid is caused by, we know that the typhoid is caused by Salmonella typhi, organism or bacteria called Salmonella typhi. We know answer for this. So let me search this. For column A, they have given A, B, C, D, and for this they have given 1, 2, 3 and so on. For A, answer is 3. In option 1, for A, answer is 1. So this is our not option. Okay. For A, the option is 3. Except option 2, first see in option 3 and 4, if they have given the 3 for A or they are given something else. If they are given the same 3 in for this option A, we need to cross check another another disease for the another organism. If not, we can consider this is the right answer. Okay, since we know that the typhoid is caused by salmonella. Next, in all 3 they have given 2, and for 4, for option 4 for A they have given 4. So these 2 are not answers. So this will be the right answer. This is how you can do the match the following in a very short time. So the right answer for typhoid, it will be salmonella. Pneumonia will be caused by option 4, that is Haemophilus, which is Haemophilus influenzae, that is correct. And next they have given this for C1, that is filariasis is caused by Wuchereria, that is Wuchereria bancrafti, which is also correct. And malaria, we know that it's caused by a plasmodium. So right option will be option 2. This was today's some of the questions we have solved. If you have liked the video, please like it, share it and subscribe our channel. Thank you.